Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you on how to send money from Nedbank. So here is the instruction of how you can send money. So you can visit the Nedbank official website, and from here you just have to scroll down. You will see this instruction right here. So first is you have to log in with your Nedbank ID and app, PIN, or Face ID. Then number two is go to transact and tap on pay. And just choose send money and you have to select your preferred option. Enter the amount that you want to send and select the account that you would like to send from. So you can edit the reference if needed. And then once you're done, you just have to tap on pay. And they will send the recipient with the SMS with their cash voucher PIN code. So that's it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.